A huge gaseous cloud studded with millions of stars is a galaxy. There are millions of such galaxies in the universe. In one galaxy lies our Sun, giving us abundantly the most essential light and warmth. The Sun is, after all, a star, an average sized star among the millions of stars in our galaxy. Our Sun is at the center of a big family of bodies going around it at varied distances in different periods of times. There are major eight planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and in the increasing order of distance from the mighty ruler. Except the first two, all other primary planets are found to have secondary planets revolving around them. They are called satellites. There are also numerous planetoids or asteroids, meteors, comets, and other planetary bodies circulating them. The planets have been spinning on their axis and simultaneously traveling around the Sun from their birth millennia ago in elliptical paths called orbits. The entire formation, known in astronomy as solar system, it is only a fractional part of our giant galaxy. The most surprising fact is that the Sun keeps all the countless members of its family as life captives by its sheer gravitational strength. The Sun has almost 99% of the mass of the entire solar system and is balanced on its own gravity. The solar mass is equivalent to 350,000 times that of the Earth. The Sun is so huge that 13 lakhs Earths can be conveniently packed inside it. Nature has endowed the Sun with a gravitational force 28 times that of our planet. So it is no wonder that the long hands of solar gravity can envelop the entire system. Mercury, the nearest planet at 58 million kilometers, and Pluto, the farthest at 5900 million kilometers, are in the iron grip of the Sun. None of the planets can ever escape or falter from their orbits. In proximity, the Sun is our nearest star at the distance of 150 million kilometers. So the Earth, which has the potentially of hold the entire mankind, is itself subservient to a superior power. Newton studied the planetary motions and established the entire solar system is governed by the law of gravitation.